Today we are cooking wheat porridge. The ingredients are wheat, evaporated milk, a quart of a cup of sugar. But if you want, you can add more. A little bit of ginger, cinnamon sticks, spices, and lemon. Let's get cooking. First, I soak the wheat in water for like 2 hours. It should look like that. Peel of the ginger and cut it and put in a bowl. Put in the lemon peel in the same bowl. Break the cinnamon sticks. Inside a pot, put the things you prepared. Plus, add the spice and water. Boil it. Drain it. Put the wheat in it. Mix. Put a little bit of salt. Blend. Drain it. Should look like that. Put it back on the oven. Put little bit of salt. Mix. Put the can of milk. Mix. Mix. Then put 3/4 cup of cream. Mix. Add the spices. Add sugar. Let the spice infuse for few minutes. Results? Enjoy! For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Dora, easy food out.